Welcome back. Thank you so much for watching me. This is Manasa and today I'll be vlogging on my first kayaking experience in the US. We would be kayaking in the Cambridge at the Charles River. We would be kayaking at Cambridge Kendall Square. We need to make reservations at the Paddle Boston. They provide paddle sport recreation for kayaks, canoes and paddle boats. Since the Charles River runs across several neighborhoods in Boston, we can pick these sports at several places like Cambridge or Medford, Waltham, and many other places in Boston. We have made the reservation to pick the boats in Cambridge, Kendall Square. They would close the paddle sport recreation services in few days as winter is approaching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. We have made reservation for a 2 p.m. boat and it's already 1 p.m. So now let's head to Cambridge. Here we are at the Cambridge Kendall Square. It's a bright afternoon. We will be picking the kayaks from this point and this is the starting location for our kayaking. We have booked the 2-seater kayaks. There is also 1-seater kayaks available. We have put on our life jackets and now we go. We are kayaking for the very first time. Yep, got our paddles too. We got into the boat and it did take us a little time to get to know the paddle movements, like to move in directions or to move forward or backward. So we got into a side as you can see and we practiced the paddle movements for some time over here. So now we go. The bridge you can see is a bridge that connects the Cambridge Street to Broadway. It took us a lot of time to reach here. Let's see how it looks the other side of the bridge. This video recording is after I did 5x time lapse. So you can imagine how slow we actually were in the river. It was very windy here and we are paddling opposite to the wave direction, so it was pretty hard for us. So now we have passed that bridge and we did come a long way and we have taken a lot of breaks in the middle as paddling was pretty tiring. This is the main Boston city that we can see around across the river. The view from the center of the river, that is right here, is just amazing. But it is too windy here and our kayaks were quite unstable. So we just paddled to the center and we remained there for some time, just looking around and enjoyed the moment. It's really beautiful to see the city buildings, parks and people around this river. We are planning to cross that bridge right there, that is the Harvard Bridge. Let's do it. We are almost there. We paddled pretty much at the sides of the river itself as the kayak was more in control and was more stable there. And we finally reached the Harvard Bridge. The city across the Harvard Bridge was even more prettier. But we did not paddle further as the kayaking duration given for us was 2 hours and we had to paddle back. It was a lot more easier while returning back as we were paddling in the same direction as that of the waves. So it was faster and we took very little breaks too. After 2 hours of kayaking, we are back to the starting point. This was really fun. It was amazing to kayak and see the city across the river. I would definitely try kayaking again. That's all for this vlog. I hope you all liked it. Thank you.